Just drove in and we are greeted by these potato bales. One thing I like about Haka is the fact that they harvest the grass, so that makes it easier to see animals. The area is dry now, but we found one frog. It has this very distinct smell of fat, so that it deters animals from feeding on it. Hello, good morning. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're having a little intimacy in your life. And as always, I'm talking about intimacy with nature. Yes. So today is a Saturday and we are going for our weekly nature walk, and the goal is to walk, I think, another 8 kilometers. Yeah, last time I think we walked 7.5, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, the goal is to walk 8 kilometers, have some intimacy with nature, good exercise, whilst having a holistic experience. You know, nature makes you produce endorphins and all the good stuff.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Just drove in and we are greeted by these beautiful potato bales. There you are. And there's a couple of cattle egrets. We've just started the walk. So far so good. One thing I like about Haka is the fact that they harvest the grass as soon as winter starts, so that makes it easier to see animals. So I'm hoping that we'll be able to see the giraffes. So far we've seen the giraffe spawns. Sounds in the bush. But it was the giraffe. Looks like we are following them. You guys remember last weekend we were on this patch which had tadpoles, and I was saying the tadpoles will develop into frogs. The area is dry now, but we found one frog. The wasp is collecting mud to build its nest. There's a nice little breeze. The different smells from nature are nice as well. We have a lunch appointment at 2, and I don't know what time it is, but we started the walk a bit late, around I think past 12 or something like that. So we're not able to walk much. We're probably going to do around 3 k's or so. The other thing that I wanted to show you and talk to you about is this plant. It's called Parinari curatelifolia, or muacha. Muacha is the Shona. I don't know what it's called in English, but it has this very distinct smell of fat at certain times of the day and also certain seasons when it is flowering, so that it deters animals from feeding on it. And I think in our culture it actually has quite a lot of relevance, or I think it's in the novels. It's written a lot in many novels. Muacha, muacha, muacha. Different organisms in the world have all these unique deterrent methods. Some mimic to stay alive and keep alive for as long as they possibly can. How beautiful is this plant? We were looking for the eland and then we found him. What?
We found it.
Fine, you found. I'm gonna have to change. We are on shoot number 5 out of 12.
Ah, forget it.
Yeah, at this point I was beyond tired. I even fell asleep, like literally.